Big news for drone and action cam enthusiasts. DJI is gearing up for a surprise summer drop, and it's coming sooner than expected. 3 new, previously unreleased drones have been spotted in the wild: the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the DJI Avata 3, and a lesser-known model, the DJI Neo 2. Fans of FPV and compact drones alike have a lot to look forward to. But that's not all. DJI is also reviving its action camera lineup in a fresh way. The DJI Action 2 is making a comeback, reimagined and rebranded as the DJI Osmo Nano. With this wave of rapid releases, DJI is clearly showing no signs of slowing down. Let's dive into what's coming next. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Strong rumors surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro began circulating last December when a frontal image of what appeared to be a defaced Mini 5 surfaced on Chinese social media. At the time, sources suggested a September 2025 release date. More recently, another blurry image of the Mini 5 has emerged, sparking fresh speculation and analysis. With no official spec sheet available, most of the details remain speculative or based on insider information. Still, the leaked photos offer a few intriguing clues. The camera sensor seems significantly larger than that of the Mini 4, possibly a full 1-inch CMOS. The motors look beefier and now include visible vents, suggesting a considerable power boost. A LiDAR sensor appears to have been added, potentially improving obstacle detection in low-light conditions. The drone's overall design looks bulkier, raising questions about whether it can still meet the sub-249 grams classification. FCC documentation hints at OcuSync 04 Plus transmission, extending range to a potential 30 kilometers. Now, 5 months after that first leak, DJI seems to have wrapped up the Mini 5 prototype phase and kicked off mass production of what's arguably their most popular drone series. One of the standout details in the recent FCC filing is the new battery, a hefty 4,680 mAh, a major step up from the Mini 4 Pro's 2,690 mAh. That previous battery supported about 30 minutes of flight time. This new one could push that significantly further. DJI Avata 3. To be completely honest, this is the first time we're seeing a concrete leak of the DJI Avata 3. While I've heard the name mentioned here and there, it's been all talk. Without visual proof, it's easy for rumors to run wild. But now, thanks to a pixelated screen grab, we finally have something to examine more closely. The DJI Avata 3 seems to maintain the same overall form factor as its predecessor, the Avata 2. It looks like DJI has upgraded the camera with a larger sensor, and the gimbal now tilts further upward, hinting at increased flight speed and agility. The battery has been repositioned further toward the back, allowing more space up front for the integrated camera. This change also seems to eliminate the need for the bulky orange bumpers found on the Avata 2. Most notably, DJI appears to have adopted a 4-blade propeller setup, likely boosting both power and efficiency for a better FPV experience. While the image isn't crystal clear, these early details suggest the Avata 3 could be a meaningful evolution in DJI's Sinuhub-style drone lineup. DJI Neo 2. While all eyes are on the DJI Avata 3 in the leaked video above, I spotted something else that deserves attention: a small drone tucked away in the left corner. At first glance, it looks like a standard DJI Neo, but take a closer look. That little drone with 2 strapped-on batteries isn't your typical Neo. The distinct double-layered propeller guards and the presence of new white labeling strongly suggest we're actually looking at the first leaked prototype of the DJI Neo 2. DJI Osmo Nano and DJI Mic 3. In more exciting developments, DJI appears to be doubling down on its presence in the action camera market. Leaks have recently revealed the existence of the Osmo 360, which has once again shown up in international databases. And just yesterday, we uncovered some intriguing FCC filings pointing to a new Action 2 successor, this time under the name DJI Osmo Nano. The filing immediately brings to mind the DJI Action 2, launched nearly 4 years ago. Despite its compact design, the camera struggled with significant overheating issues and was eventually phased out. While it's still available for purchase, it never gained major traction. Still, DJI seems ready to take another shot, having filed a trademark for Osmo Nano, specifically listed for use with wearable cameras, on February 20th, 2025. The FCC documentation references a camera unit model on 001 and a display unit OD001, which suggests the Osmo Nano could follow a similar modular design to the Action 2. Alongside the Osmo Nano, we're also expecting the DJI Mic 3 and the long-rumored Osmo 360 to launch at some point. Unfortunately, no release dates have been confirmed. DJI has been known to delay or even shelve products unexpectedly, and Osmo-branded gear typically sees a gap of at least 6 months between FCC filings and market release. That's all for today, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.